In this video, we will walk you through how your vendors can utilize PeakFlow WhatsApp Vendor Portal. To activate the WhatsApp Vendor Portal for your vendors, all you need to do is to add their phone number by going to Settings, clicking on User, opening the vendor name and entering the phone number. Your vendors will automatically get a notification from the PeakFlow WhatsApp Vendor Portal. To check purchase orders, follow these steps. Go to your WhatsApp and click on the PeakFlow chat. Reply with a number associated with unbilled customer purchases. You will see a list of purchase orders with the customer name and created date along with the serial number. You can type the serial number and hit send to get the details of the purchase order. Alternatively, you can search the directory by typing the customer purchase number and hit send to get the details of the purchase order. Once you have checked the details on a specific customer purchase order, you can click on Go Back to List to check other customer purchase orders and their details. To check the invoice status, follow these steps. Reply with a number associated with the status of invoices. You will see a list of invoices with their invoice number, customer name, and created date along with the serial numbers. You can search the directory by typing the invoice number and hit send to see the status of the invoice. Alternatively, you can type in the serial number and hit send to see the invoice status. Once you have checked the status of the invoice, you can click on Go Back to List to check the status of other invoices. To download the statement of account, follow these steps. Reply with a number associated with the statement of account. You will see a list of customers along with their serial numbers. You can search the directory by typing the customer name. Alternatively, you can type the serial number and hit send to see the statement of account for the particular customer. A new message will appear asking you to select the duration for the statement of account. Click on the statement types to see the different options. Choose from the statement types and click on Send to download the desired statement of account. A new message will appear. Click on the Download button to download and view the statement of account. To upload invoices against receipt notes and send them to customers, follow these steps. Reply with a number associated with a send invoice to customer. You will see a list of receipt notes with their receipt note number, customer name, and created date along with serial numbers. You can search the directory by typing the receipt note number. Alternatively, you can type the serial number and hit send to attach an invoice to the receipt note. A message will appear asking if you want to attach an invoice. Hit yes to proceed. Then you need to upload the invoice. To approve credit notes, follow these steps. Reply with a number associated with the My Pending Approvals. You will see a list of credit notes with their credit note number, customer name, and created date along with serial numbers. You can search the directory by typing the credit note number and hit send to see the credit note details. Alternatively, you can type the serial number and hit send to do the same. Once you have checked the credit note details, you can click on Approve to approve the credit note. You can also click on Reject to reject the credit note. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflow.co or send us an email to support@peakflow.co.